This is an email and I'm going to read it because today I'm going to test this site also that claims you can make 25 cents per every email that you read on a secret website. Will this site also work or will it flop? Let's find out. What's up, Digital Masters, and welcome back to the channel. In case you are new here, my name is Thomas and it's nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to uncover whether you can make money by reading emails and whether this does or doesn't work. And as always, I'm going to give you my recommendation. So when you search for make money reading emails, you don't see the website because it's a secret website. So when I search for make money reading emails, I don't see the website because, as he told me in the video, it's a secret website. But I've got it. And so on this website, we can earn money by reading emails. We found it. Okay, so wherever you are, PC, tablet, mobile phone, is right here. So we pay you commission from your referral earnings. So you can also make money by their referral program. And they pay you $1 for every Lastly, we pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1. Okay, so I'm just going to sign up and see you inside the dashboard. Okay, so this is the first thing that we get. So an important must read. So to make sure you receive all our emails and don't miss paid emails, I need to add this email address to my contacts list, which is easy enough. And I just need to confirm my account right here. Okay, I can log in. So I'm not quite sure how it works and how I'm going to earn from this. Okay, so from the welcome email, it seems that we need to basically click on the advertisements inside of an email. And if we do that, we get paid. I thought I was just going to read emails. Now I need to click in them. It's hard work out here. Okay, so I think right now I just need to wait until the emails get into my inbox and then I can make money. I'm really impatient. Like, it's been 5 minutes and I have hit the refresh button maybe 100 times already. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to wait a couple of hours before I can show you some real results. So I'm gonna say goodbye and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, you're here already. Didn't know it was this late. So it has been 4 hours. And as you can see, we have received 2 emails. And now that I have received the emails, I can actually show you how this works. So you click on the email right here, and then you basically open this. So you open the link, and then right here, it will load up and it will show you this. Now, come on. Okay, so this is the advertisement. And right here at the top left, you can see a sort of time bar where it's going around until it gets to 100%. So if you click on this, it will just open a page. So right here. So give me 5 minutes and I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. So while we're waiting for this to load up, let me tell you about, no, just kidding. So it's now at 100% and you can see you have been credited successfully for this activity. Wait, $0.0015. That can't be right. From what we can see, it works really simple. So you click right here, you click on the link, you go to a page, it loads up. It's not secure, by the way. I don't really like that, but it will load up. It will go around till 100 seconds. Wachten, duurt zo lang. Oh. Okay, so you can't watch them twice. But that's how it works. So let's just click this away and we can see we have made $0.0030, which is not a lot. And so that got me thinking. And I don't think that we can make as much money from this as was promised. Okay, so in the method that I found, he basically said that you can make 25 cents for every single email that you read. But as we can see right now, that's not the case. But wait a minute, because I'm going to tell you something that you need to know. So we can see this right here, but now there's another problem. So if we click on money and click on withdrawal. Okay, so you can't see it right now, but there's a problem with this. So there's a 30 withdrawal limit. So $30 is the maximum that can be withdrawn. But wait, because as we can see right here on the Volutic website, if we scroll down, okay, it's loading up, there are 12,539 total members. And now the $30 threshold of how much can be withdrawn every single day is for everyone, meaning that you will have to compete with 12,539 other people if you sign up. I have to compete with 12,538. But do you get my point? Even if you have signed up and you make money, it's going to be a pain in the ass to withdraw your money. That's not what we're looking for. That's why I always say if you really want to make money online, you should build a business, a side hustle. You should start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, Instagram. I always mess that one up. TikTok account, TikTok account, TikTok account. And you should create something. So an affiliate marketing business. Maybe you do a bit of freelancing, print on demand. Maybe you do a dropshipping business. But you need to build something real. And if you want my recommendations, you can check out the Digital Mastery cheat sheet in the description. Now this is completely free. I've just created it for your use so you can see the exact steps that I take when I build a business. And if you want to see me try to make money online by watching a YouTube video, then you can click the video right here. But for now, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.